Sometimes an exact number is not needed when you describe something, and so you can round to a particular place value. This holds true for whole numbers or for a decimal. The most important thing about rounding is to know your place value. And there are some steps that we must follow in order to round, whether it's a whole number or a decimal. The same rules apply. So the first thing you have to do is to circle the digit in the place to which you are rounding. And then you're going to underline the digit to the right of the circled digit. Now, if the underlined digit is 5 or more, then your number is going to round up, and so you add 1 to the circled digit. But if the underlined digit is less than 5, the number will round down, and the circled digit will not change. And then all the digits to the right of the circled digit become zeros. So here's an example of rounding a number to the nearest hundredth. So I first have to find the hundredths place. I'm going to circle that number and underline the digit to the right. Now, if this digit is 5 or more, it tells that one to go up. If it's less than 5, then this digit stays the same. Well, a 2 is less than 5, so that digit's going to stay the same, and then everything behind it becomes a 0. So the 8 stayed the same, and everything behind it became a 0. We're going to round these numbers to whatever place value is circled. So in this first one, I see the 1 that's in the thousandths place is circled. And so I know that I need to underline the digit that's after it, which would be the 7. And the 7 is larger than 5, so that tells that 1 to go up. So anything that came before, it's going to stay the same. So my 11 and the decimal and the 1 and the 2, that's all staying the same. Now I'm to the circled number. The 7 told the 1 to go up, so it's going to go up to a 2. And everything behind it is going to become a 0. Now looking at the next one, the circled digit is the 8 in the tenths place. So I need to underline the digit to the right. That would be the 1. The 1 is going to tell the 8 to stay the same. So I'm going to have the 0 and then the 8 to stay the same. And everything behind it becomes a 0. So I have 0, 0, 0, 0. All right, and my next one, my 1 that's in the thousandths place is circled. So I'm going to underline the digit to the right of it. This 1 tells that 1 to stay the same. So I'm going to write my 359 decimal 18. Now the 1 told the 1 to stay the same, and then everything behind it becomes a 0. All right, my next one, I have a 3 in the hundredths place circled. So this 1 tells that 3 to stay the same. So I have a 9, 9, 1 decimal 4. My 3 is going to stay the same, and everything behind it becomes a 0. Now this next one's interesting. The 7 is circled, and there's nothing after it. But there actually is. It's a 0. And a 0 tells the 7 stay the same. So I'm going to have 329 decimal point 5, 5, 5, 7. And there was nothing behind it. It stays the same, but they're all zeros. All right, the next one I have a 7 that's in the tenths place circled, and so I'm going to underline the 2. The 2 tells the 7 stay the same. So I have 0 decimal 7 stays the same, and everything behind it becomes a 0.